planning is a way for you to get your affairs in order and create a comprehensive plan for how you want your affairs to be handled upon your death. Why do you need estate planning? A lot of people think, okay, if something happens, assets are going to be distributed to my heirs. Well, that might happen and it might not. Without an estate plan in place, all of your assets are going to be distributed in accordance with Florida statute. So it may or may not be how you would like your assets to be distributed. The only way to ensure that they are distributed in accordance with your wishes is to create an estate plan. Why else do you need an estate plan? Maybe you want to provide for your spouse, or maybe you want to provide for grandchildren or children. Maybe you have a family member that you're no longer close with and you want to disinherit. You want to make sure that that family member does not receive some of your assets. Well, without an estate plan, if they are entitled to assets pursuant to Florida statute, they will receive them unless you specifically disinherit them. Why else? You may have heard of or know somebody who was involved in a probate action of a family member's estate and it got ugly. A lot of times probate actions can be long and they involve all of your family members. And it's essentially a lawsuit that's inviting people to make a claim on the property. Everybody's noticed of all of the assets in the estate. So anybody that thinks they're entitled to a right may contest the distribution or make a claim on it. And they can be a very time-consuming and expensive process. The only way to avoid a probate is to create an estate plan and to ensure all of your assets are going to properly transfer upon your death. You may also want to avoid a conservatorship. If something were to happen to you and you no longer have capacity to make decisions, if you have not created estate planning documents to give somebody the authority to make decisions on your behalf, they may have to file a conservatorship to appoint somebody to make those decisions. Really, there's a lot of reasons why it's important to think about your future and to create an estate plan. If you have any questions or you'd like to look into your options or just discuss this further, feel free to contact us at Vaughn Law, and we're happy to go over all of these options with you in further detail.